how to make the font size bigger or smaller on your Mac computer. So I'll show you two ways on how to increase or decrease the font size. Now the first method is you can click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and then just press System Settings. From the left hand side you can scroll all the way down to Displays, and then you'll see this option that says Larger Text. So you can go and select any of these different options, but the one on the left is going to give you the biggest font size. Now just bear in mind that by doing this, it will magnify everything on your screen. So this will include images and also the resolution as well. If you just want to increase the font size, you can click on Accessibility. You can then click on Display. And if you scroll down, you'll see Text Size. Go and click on this. And then you can go and adjust your font size from here. So as you can see, I can make this much bigger like so. You can also change the font size for particular apps and then go and press Done. So that's how to change the font size on your MacBook Pro and MacBook Air.